Okay, so September 19th to 22nd, we're have our MMA, Merriman Market Analysts Investment Retreat. And this is a gathering of people for 3 days where we discuss our outlook, long-term outlook on how to build wealth based on timing signals that we use, whether it's cycles with planetary cycles, but we also use price objective theories to determine what the price is going to be we want to buy at, certain technical studies. So basically, we're looking at the stock market, gold market, silver, again, currencies, treasury notes, real estate, crude oil, energy. And we're looking at the time when the North Node is going from Pisces to Capricorn with various markets making what we call our 18-year cycle bottom. It's at the 18-year cycle bottom that we want to make our long-term investments, our buy and hold. And we want to scale into it because we don't know exactly when. We narrow these things down by the year and then by the season as we get closer and closer to it, and then eventually down to the month and the week if we can. But as we get to a certain price in this time band, we want to start scaling in our purchases over this period because we know if we can hold it for basically 9 to 19 years, we're going to make a very, very good profit on our investment. Okay, so this is taking place at Lake Bled. There's your pictures of Lake Bled here in Slovenia, one of the most beautiful places in the world I've ever been to. And here you can see the Lake Bled Castle. This will have our Saturday night banquet overlooking the beautiful Lake Bled. This is the balcony of the hotel we stay at, the Hotel Riki Balance. It's a spot, actually. It's just a beautiful location, a beautiful place to be. And if you want to come to it, it's going to be online and it's going to be live. We have about 40 people coming so far. The hotel itself, where we're having the conference, is filled up. We have a waiting list, but we also have a list of hotels in the area that's in walking distance you can come to and still be part of it. But you go to MMAcycles.com, go to under events, and look for the investment retreat.
I'm not an investor and I don't have a strong financial background. So I'm really interested in this, but it's intimidating. Like, am I going to be in a crowd of like stock market people and I'm not going to know what anybody's talking about? Or will the astrology background that I have actually help me understand the bigger conversation?
If you know nothing about investments and markets, but you're a good astrologer, sit next to somebody in there who knows a lot about investments but doesn't know much about astrology. It's about 50-50.
Okay.
I would say, well, it's about 30-30. I'd say a third of the people know something about both of them. A third of them know a lot about investments. They don't know much about astrology. Another third know a lot about astrology. They know nothing about investments. And we encourage them, sit next to each other. You're going to socialize. You're going to rub elbows with people who are very good astrologers or very good investors, and they want to know the timing part of it. So it's a nice energy, a nice synergy that goes on here at this event. Okay? And we're going to share with you our plan, our investment plan, which I think is a way you build wealth. I mean, you can build wealth in the stock market, not necessarily by trading. I mean, if you're a very good trader, yes, you're going to do well. But you don't have to be a very good trader to build wealth in the stock market. You just got to be able to start investing at that 18-year bottom, because once you got the 18-year bottom, it's going to go up 300 to 600% over the next 9 to 18 years. You don't need to do much. Just pick the right stocks, the right indexes, and stay with them. And we're going to show you how to do that.